This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 30 FE2 BDRM double slide, bunk bed, dinette Queen is a Class C RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Thor motor coach is 32 feet 2 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 8, external shower, air conditioning, TV, self-contained, skylight, slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk beds, bunk over cab, mid-bunk, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 30 FE2 BDRM double slide, bunk bed, dinette Queen is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.